the curriculum that you will sample in the next 5 or 6 weeks. So I have my server, Elman, my assistant, will access the server, we'll show you up to the file, so we know what we're talking about. Okay, so this is your home page. This connection runs on flow. So if you see the bottom figure, is powered by flow. Okay? Since your IT major, let me spend 10 minutes on what flow is all about. How many of you are hearing flow for the first time? Aside from the two of you that attended last Friday, aside from Christmas. How many of you are? Wala? Okay. Flow is a content management system. Okay. Sa curriculum nyo ba, meron tinatawag na, meron ba kayong course na content management system? Meron ba? Wala. Oh, paano yun? Nag-graduate kayo ng IT? Wala kayong alam sa content management system? May problema tayo. Walang system.